And you can adjust the angle by twisting the cap at the top. But it works good, as you guys can see here. Hey guys, today we are reviewing SnapFresh cordless pressure washer. Let's go ahead and take a look at everything we get inside the box. Okay, so this is everything. Battery and the charger. We're currently charging it up right now. You get your little tank in here, your extension. So a couple things. This is going to go into a gallon or a 5-gallon or whatever. This just goes into water. This will connect to your actual unit right here. Your battery goes underneath. You have your on and off trigger right here. Connect your nozzle to your unit. So we're filling this up with water, and this is just how it's going to go on. You'll lay it in your water. It might take a little bit to prime as there's air in the line. But we're going to go ahead and get our Jeep washed. It's obviously not going to have the pressure of a pressure washer that is electric, but it still does a good washing job. At the top, but it works good, as you guys can see here. It's obviously not going to have the pressure of a pressure washer that is electric, but it still does